Hello guys, so I'm making this video after a very long gap and a long time. So I was thinking to make this video since very long time. Today I'm making it finally, and I hope that you all will like this video. So this particular content is very close to my heart because I am very fond of shoes, much more than bags or makeup products or anything. So I'm much more inclined towards shoes, and I am making a content today on my favorite shoes. So in this video I will be showing my favorite shoes from very recent time, and which I have purchased, which I have received as a gift. So yeah, let's get started, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the hit icon bell to get more and more updates about what I'm posting. I know I don't post much, but still I'll try to post. So let me get started by showing you my favorite shoes. So first shoe which is coming to me is a beautiful heels. I think you can see, right? So this is the heel which I have purchased from Inc 5, and it's amazing, and I'm in love with the shoes. It's so kind of sassy vibes it brings when you wear with any western, or you can wear with a traditional fit as well. See the heel, it's so amazing, right? It's my favorite shoe, you can say. So this came to in the first, and I think it's 4 inches or maybe 4.5 inches. It's very good. This is my first shoe. So guys, let me show you my next heel. So this is the glass heel. This is amazing, and its look is very slick. You can wear it with any western or traditional, and if you had you can wear it with anything, I can say. So this is from a local market. This is not from any brand or something like that. So this is very amazing, and just see this is my favorite, and it's so nice. The glass, I think I am very much fond of the brands Inc 5 and Catwalk. Previously I used to buy Catwalk heels, but now though I have started to buy lots of Inc 5 heels as well. So yeah, so this is a other shoe. This is the heel, I say this is very nice, right? This is the Inc 5 one, and it's very much, in office or any professional occasion, if you go with, you can wear with any formal outfit. It will give good look along with a good style. So yeah, this is my next favorite shoe, you can see. So guys, this is the another favorite heel of mine. This is very comfortable, and it gives you a very stylish look. Whatever outfit you club up with, you can wear with western or ethnic, whatever you feel like wearing, and style it up. This is very comfortable. I got it from Pantaloons. It's very nice. I really love it, and it's very very kind of, what to say, very much stylish as well as comfortable, and I love this. So the next favorite shoe of mine, and it's very much favorite because I always purchase heel, but this is something which is not a heel, but it's a very favorite to me. So what is it? It's a Crocs. It's a Crocs. Crocs. From a Crocs. It's it's from Crocs brand, and it's it's very nice, and I love this, guys. This is so comfortable as well as very much stylish. You can wear it in airports, you can wear it anywhere, even in everywhere, anywhere you can wear this Crocs. It's very comfortable still. And I always love glittery products because still I am in my teenage, I feel. Anything, age is just a number, but like the main thing is that what is in your soul, right? What gives you the most happiness and most cheerful moments, and I feel that age is just a number. So yeah, I love glittery products till now, and I am fond of Barbie and Hannah Montana since my school days. So yeah, so this is as a justification to do with glitters and glittery products. So yeah, so this is the shoe, and this is very amazing. I wear it everywhere whenever I go casual, like casual, when I'm going anywhere casually or anything, shopping, airports, even in offices you can wear it. It's very nice. So the next shoe which is coming to me is oh yeah, this is a very beautiful heel which I was gifted by my brother. I want to show you guys. This is amazing heel. It's from Catwalk. Again, I said previously Catwalk is my favorite brand. So now also I'm saying Catwalk is my favorite again. So yeah, so this is the amazing one. I love this one. Again, see, everyone will say that why this girl is always towards glitters, because I am still in my teenage, as I already mentioned. So yeah, this is the heel. This is so nice, guys. This is so nice finishing it has. I just love it. Like after seeing this shoe only, I am in love with the shoe. And when my brother gifted this to me, I was with him, so he bought me this shoe. This is so good, and I'm in love with this shoe. You can wear it with any western, any ethnic, whatever you feel like, and style it up. It's very nice. I love it. Even it's very comfortable also. Like maybe the wage looks much more, higher in height. So, but it's very, it's very comfortable. The quality is very good, I would say. So my other favorite is this Juti, which I got it from the local markets of Lucknow, and it's very nice. It's very stylish. You can wear with any kurti or any Indo-Western outfit. You can just club it up with, and as the color is leatherish kind of thing, so as the color is leatherish, you can wear it with any color outfit. It doesn't have any constraints in that. So yeah, this is the other favorite, and it's a flat, yeah, but I love this one. It's very, so it gives a sophisticated look also. So my next favorite will be a very much funky shoe. You can say sneaker. Maybe many of will not like it, but I bought it and I love it. I bought it during my college days, but I don't think that now at this point of time I will buy the same color. It's kind of a parrot green. So let me just show you guys. This is the shoe. It's a very funky. I know everyone will not like this, but still it's a good one. It's give a funky vibes. Always why to be so serious and just it's a good one. I wore it once or twice, but yeah, I just I love this. It's very funky. I love the color also. It's like, it's give a disco vibe and kind of dancing vibes it gives. I love this. It's a very good one. I love this from an online brand. I don't remember right now, but it's from online. I bought it. It's very nice. I think it's a Delhi-based brand. I got it from Insta shopping. So yeah, this is a good one. So yeah, so I know I was not at all professional while making this video, because I don't make videos very often. I make it very rare. So I feel that I was able to make a point that what shoes I like the most. And yes, if you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share my channel and video with your friends and loved ones. So yeah, till then, stay happy, stay positive, and bye bye. Have a nice day.